Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Ideapad Flex-15IIL. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges of the panel. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is usually situated near the center of the motherboard. You will see a small screw securing the SSD in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove this screw and set it aside. Now, gently pull the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that the securing screw has been fully removed. Once the SSD is out, take a moment to clean the slot with a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. If you are upgrading to a new SSD, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle you used to remove the old one. Once it is seated properly, press it down flat against the motherboard and secure it with the screw you previously removed. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to perform a quick internal cleanup. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to remove any dust from the fans and other components. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the threads. Once the back panel is secured, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, professional diagnosis without obligation. After confirming that the SSD is recognized, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore your data from a backup. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Ideapad Flex-15IIL. Enjoy the enhanced performance and storage capacity of your upgraded laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.